So we're going to start out with my code here. These are the different filters I have. I have them separated into functions so I can call them independently. And then here's my main code for the GUI. Go ahead and run it. So this is what the GUI looks like. It's pretty standard. You can select the different filters over here, the drop down menu. And you can also adjust the gain, the slider. And you also have a volume slider for the whole song, play buttons, and buttons to switch between the time and frequency domain, and also to go into the live EQ mode. Then here's the equalizer section. You can adjust 6 different bands. So here's a diagram of kind of how the code works. It reads in a block of audio samples and it splits them into the left and right, so two different blocks. And then it has to zero pad those blocks before it filters it. And then it filters the blocks with the desired filter, and it uses the overlap and add method to make up for the extended length of those blocks. When it's done, it just sends those blocks back to the sound card. So here's the plots of my different filters. There's a low pass filter, impulse response for it, and then there's a magnitude response for it. And it's like that -60 dBs in the stop band, and the impulse response for my bandpass filter. Frequency response also. Impulse response for my high pass filter that I'm using, and its frequency response. Then the IIR filter that I use, its magnitude response, and then the IIR filter that I use for my live EQ mode, its impulse response. And for these, I use 6 of them at different frequencies. This is the one for 1500 to 4500 Hz. And here's the magnitude response. So here's a demo of my project actually working. I'm sorry you can't hear the output, but this recording program doesn't let me record from the speakers. So just watch how the plot changes, the different frequencies here. You can watch the volume, change the amplitude of it, up and down. And then we can change the filter, low pass or high pass or whatever. Stays in the frequency domains. You can see the difference. So it cuts out the high frequencies. High pass attenuates the low ones. Band pass is somewhere in between. The best filter is just a combination of my low pass and high pass filters. And the IIR filter is a low pass filter. And then the live EQ mode, or the equalizer, you can adjust the different bands here. As you can see, just letting the low ones through. You can adjust them all and kind of watch the frequency response change here. Then in the live EQ mode, this is me testing it when I was speaking into the mic. You can see how that worked. Thanks for watching.